Today, we will talk about the hierarchy of GAAP. The hierarchy of generally accepted accounting principles refers to a four-level framework that classifies the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, guidance on accounting practices and standards by their level of authority. Top-level guidance typically addresses broad accounting issues while those at a lower level deal with more technical issues. With multiple regulatory bodies overseeing various parts of the accounting profession, there was a need to pinpoint the most relevant and authoritative guidance on accounting topics. Additionally, each regulatory body releases accounting guidance in multiple formats that have varying levels of authority. The hierarchy of GAAP is designed to improve consistency and comparability within financial reporting. It is a framework for selecting the principles that accountants should use in preparing financial statements of non-governmental entities in conformity with U.S. GAAP. The FASB, formed in 1973, is an independent nonprofit organization that is responsible for establishing accounting and financial reporting standards for public and private companies and nonprofit organizations in the United States. This allows for more standardized reporting, enabling investors and other financial statement users to better compare the financial statements of multiple companies within a common sector or industry. The SEC, created in 1934, is an independent federal government agency responsible for protecting investors, maintaining fair and orderly functioning of the securities markets, and facilitating capital formation. The SEC sets forth reporting standards and regulations for public companies. The AICPA, founded in 1887, is the nonprofit professional organization that represents certified public accountants in the United States. Among other tasks, the AICPA develops standards for external audits of private companies. There are four levels of the GAAP hierarchy. The top of the hierarchy is the most authoritative guidance. An accountant researching a given topic should consult first with the highest level for relevant advice. If no information on the topic is given at the higher levels, the accountant should look to the next level for relevant pronouncements. The FASB Statement of Accounting Standards No. 162 provides a detailed explanation of the hierarchy. Here are four key takeaways. 1. The GAAP hierarchy is a four-tiered framework for selecting the principles that accountants should use in preparing financial statements of non-governmental entities. 2. Because multiple organizations regulate separate parts of the accounting world, there was a need to identify the most relevant standards for various accounting topics. 3. The hierarchy of GAAP identifies which standards and best practices are the most authoritative for a particular instance or problem. 4. If no information on the topic is given at the higher levels, the accountant should look to the next level down for relevant pronouncements. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.